He's winning. It's fun, but he's winning. I like it much better than the toy.
He's like two of them.
Uh-huh. Well, it takes two of them to try to beat him. No wonder we can't keep water in there. God, they're funny.
They make such a mess.
Look at the food.
Yep, everywhere.
Oh, it's, you know, wherever you want to eat, there's food. God, they're cute. Look at the little tails. He's a different brown color.
His mom's a try.
It's a different shade. It's interesting to see it together. And who's growling? Is that the
I
little
think
girl?
this is the boy growling. Beamer.
Uh-oh, it's over. Now we can't get a hold of it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this is difficult. Okay, I'm bored. Can't get it, so they're gonna get bored.
What y'all doing?
I can't get it flipped
What?
over.
What?
It's stuck.